Hi there, it's Lori Petrosino, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnails using a free tool called Canva. So you can go over to canva.com and you'll be brought to this page. What you can do is scroll down to where you see it says YouTube thumbnails. You can view all of them by clicking this arrow here, or you can click to see all of them. These are already set to the YouTube dimensions for a YouTube cover. So all you'll do is simply pick one of them. And I actually like this one. So I'm just going to click here and click on Use this template. Now Canva has a great editor, so you can actually edit everything that you see here, including you can completely create an entire blank YouTube thumbnail by adding your own images, your own text, anything else that you have that you want. So I'm going to click inside this box and I can simply change the text. You can change the color of the text. You can move it around wherever you want it. You want it up here. You can actually remove these boxes if you'd like. You can make them larger. You could change the color of the text if you'd like by clicking here. You'll see you have many different colors you can add. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can add various images. If you want to upload images, simply go to Uploads and click on Upload an image or video. Then when the image shows up, you will drag it right over here. It's actually a very simple editor for creating YouTube videos, and these are already pre-populated, so if you want to do one really quickly, this is how you'll do it. And you can simply download it right here, save it to your computer, and then upload to YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to create YouTube thumbnails.